2024 planner season is here, and let's start looking at Alicia Souza 2024 planner. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl, and it's that time of the year again, which is planner season. And if you're excited for this season, then comment down below this emoji and I will know. So first we are going to start with the first impressions of Alicia Souza planner collection for the year 2024. So this is a banner, looks like it does have a lot of things, so let's click. Okay, there are in total 7 products in 2024 planners and calendars. First we have the trio, which they had last year as well, and there is separate planner as well, and I can able to see that they have both hardbound and Viro planner, which is great. And we have desk accessories kit, desk calendar and wall calendar. Okay, first let's look at the planner and then we can look at the trio. As I like spiral bound planner, I'm going to click on the Viro planner and let's look at the details. So this is the ultimate 2024 Viro planner plus pocket planner plus stickerholic book. So the combo of 3 things combined, the price is 2,399 tax included, so that's the price available, and the worldwide shipping is available, and free shipping is on all domestic orders above 999. So that's great. So first let's look at the pictures. This is how the cover page looks like. As usual, it's really cute, and there are a lot of tiny details that I can able to see in this cover design. Those cute illustrations, so nice. It looks floral, colorful, and also kind of fun to me. The spiral quality looks good. I already used their planner in 2022. I will even link that video on the screen and also in the description. You can check it out if you want to know how the Viro planner quality will be, that Viro bound. There might be changes or it may not be, we don't know, but the quality is really fabulous in Alicia Souza planner. That's what I know. And we also have the edges design, and there is a pen loop with which we can keep our pen. And here is how it looks like. This is a planner box, I guess, and here is the sticker book, and this is the pocket planner. Wow, I really love the pocket planner cover page as well. Cute. Planner box looks similar to the planner design, and I'm already using, like, reusing the 2022 planner that I shared with you guys just like before. I'm reusing it to store my extra stationeries, and it's really sturdy and it's well in condition till now. I'm sure it's going to be sturdy. And the pocket planner is here, and the stickerholic stickery sticker book. The cover page is nice, and there is a pen loop, sturdy gold Viro binding. So it's really sturdy, the planner that I used in the past, and UV laminated pattern, elastic closure, and printed ribbon bookmark. I think we will be getting 2 bookmarks. That's nice. And there is a metal corners, and it is also in golden color. Overall, it's just perfect for now. Let's see. Okay, we have a sneak peek of a page called to do, and we have top priority, other task, office work. Okay, we have monthly tabs, which is quite useful. I would say monthly tabs will be really useful, as it will be really easy to use the planner the few months of the year, like January, February, even till April. But after that, to flip through the previous pages to go to the month, let's say October, it might be quite difficult. So for that reason, monthly tabs is really useful. And this is, I guess, the weekly/daily layout page, and it has these cute illustrations element all over the planner. And we have the date, month, and also the day, which I appreciate. Having a day is really important, and it has quite enough space. And this space you can either plan your to-do list, or it is also good for writing like a journal entry or dear diary sort of a moment also. And it's nice. I guess this is the first page. This planner belongs to page wherein you can write your name. This year is going to be, you can write whatever word you want to be: fun, productive, successful, happy, whatever you want the 2024 year for you. And mantra of the year, you can write any mantra or affirmations like maybe all is well or trust the process, whatever. And there is also space for contact. Letter for you from you, which is cute, and this is something that they had in previous years as well, which if you're not writing a letter for yourself, kindly do it. It will be so good. So if you're totally new to the concept of writing a letter to your future self, then I will read what is mentioned in this planner. The next page is a blank page for you to write a letter to yourself. You can write about anything really, what you want to do this year, your hopes, dreams, resolutions, what you want to change or start after you're done. Seal it with one of the stickers. Keep it in this planner pouch or in a safe place. You can open it at the end of the year or in 20 years. It's a letter to you after all. Be open, be honest, be you. So that's it. Your future self is so excited. I really like that. Illustrated weekly spread, which we already talked about, which is cute. And this is the wellness tracker, monthly wellness tracker. This is something quite similar to the previous years they have been doing. Like you can track the mood, sleep, exercise, how many hours you got sleep that day, did you exercise or not. If you're a person who combine different sorts of exercise, like one day you do walking, one day you go to gym, one day you do yoga, you can write that also. And then you can mention your mood based on an emoji or using just one single word like cheerful, happy, peaceful, sad, frustrated, etc. And this is a monthly wellness tracker, and this is habit tracker. So you can track 4 habits with this habit tracker, and there is a note section, do more of, do less of. That's great. And we also have period tracker with moods and symptoms to note. This is a back pocket where we can store our letter to our future self or whatever tidbits that you want to have inside your planner. And the back pocket is also so artistic, and this is the back space, and this is a sticker book. Wow, the sticker book is as usual so cute, and I can spot a lot of like words, self-motivation words sort of stickers, which I really like. These are some stickers. Love you so much. Let's go. Meet me. Remember, believe in yourself. 100% possible. Don't give up. Good things are coming. This is the pocket planner. Cover page nice. Hello. This little pockety planner full of happy plans, to-dos and notes belongs to Wonderful. You can write your name. So this is a handy dandy planner that you can keep it in your handbag or backpack and take it wherever you go. And we have 2024 and 2025 yearly calendar spread. Take your time. The illustration in this pocket planner is also great, and at the back we have this, and I think that's the end. So this is the price. Let me know what do you guys think about Alicia Souza 2024 planner. What do you guys think about the price range? If it is okay or not, let me know. I think it's slightly expensive, but I also know that it will be worth it as I already unboxed the planner and liked it. It's just so cute, premium, and just perfect, I would say. So this is what's inside the planner box. We have the 2024 Viro planner, stickerholic sticker book, pocket planner, a cute illustrated thank you card from the artist. That's good. And these are the inside planner layout, a list of holidays that can be quite useful to plan in advance. Okay, we do have monthly meal planner, and space for writing highlights of the year. Lots and lots of notes pages. Notes pages is really great. Pockets at the back, printed bookmark and ribbon bookmark. Cool. The cover is glittery of the sticker book. Sticker book contains 19 pages and 15 sheets of opaque and 2 sheets of transparent and 2 sheets of glitter sticker. So good. So inside the pocket planner we have holographic pocket planner, 2024 and 2025 calendar, and then we have space for notes and doodles, monthly grid pages with cute illustration, tiny pocket at the back also. Okay, and this is 120 GSM paper thickness, 120 GSM, which I think is good. Gold color pen loop, gold color elastic closure, one back pocket. Shipping starts from 25th of October, so if you place an order right now, immediately also you will receive only after 25th of October, after your order has been shipped. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. and these animations, like the website look is really nice. Okay, we have a illustrated page for 1 month sneak peek for August, and it's so cute. Okay, this is the Alicia Souza planner, and let's look at the trio. And the trio price for 2024 trio plus desk accessories plus a lovely bag of goodies is right now at 6,899 tax included, which I don't know. We have to look at the goodies and stuff to come to conclusion whether this price is worth it or not. So we have two styles here, Viro or hard mount. I think this is the desk accessories kit. Okay, set of 3 file separators. Okay, a ruler, eraser, pencils, washi tapes, pocket notebook, scissors, sticky note folio, desk mat. Okay, and this is the desk calendar, I guess. Along with this, we also have a note section, which is something new. Okay, this is how it looks once we place it on our desk. It's cute. And this is the desk calendar monthly page. The boxes looks quite tiny, but we do have notes space for each and every month, so I think that's fine. And also we have stickers at the back for the desk calendar. The illustrations of the desk calendar looks really nice. 2024 baby. And this is the wall calendar. Wall calendar space is quite okay compared to desk calendar, and I really like when they have this on wall calendar, like the previous month and upcoming month calendars, so that we can plan accordingly. We don't have to flip through the next page. We also do have stickers for wall calendar. Next we have a lovely bag of goodies, and I think this is the full box for the trio. That's it. We will be getting like a lovely bag of goodies. We'll be getting a planner, pocket planner, sticker book, wall calendar, desk calendar, everything inside that hello big box. And that's it. Here are some clips. They do have a YouTube video. So that's about the 2024 trio. We don't know what is inside the goodie bag, desk accessories. I don't know, guys. Tell me in the comments what do you guys think about the price for the planner and also the trio. I will leave it to you guys. So that's the Alicia Souza 2024 planner collection, and if you want to know how to place an order for this planner, do check out this video on the screen right now to place an order, and I will see you guys in that video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.